Hey, how's it going guys? In this video, I'll be replacing this iPhone 11 screen. Let's get to it. First, I'll power off the phone. Now, I know that I can't see anything, but hopefully we can manage. Done. Next, I'll remove the two pentalobe screws down at the bottom of the phone. Now that the two screws are removed, I can take my suction cup and stick it to the screen. I'll also take my handy guitar pick, and while pulling the screen off the frame, I will slide the guitar pick in between the screen and the housing of the phone. Like so. Taking a look inside the phone, you can see that the adhesive is not original. This is because I already replaced this guy's screen and used a different type of adhesive. Now I can remove this large bracket, which is holding the Face ID cable and the two screen cables. Taking my tweezers, I can remove the bracket. Now one of the ribbon cables already got disconnected while I was removing the bracket, so I'll disconnect the other one. Now you're probably wondering, shouldn't I disconnect the battery first? Well, you see, the bracket is underneath the two flex cables. Even though I don't care about the screen, it's just a lot easier to remove this bracket first and then this one. Either way, nothing much will happen if you disconnect the connectors quickly. Now I will remove the battery bracket. Again, using my tweezers, I can remove this bracket. Disconnecting the battery. And now for the Face ID cable. I can now remove the screen. Putting the frame to the side, I can focus on the screen. I can remove the Face ID module, or whatever this thing is. Carefully remove the Face ID module. I can remove this piece of plastic. I'm not sure what it's called, but I need it. So now I can throw the screen to the side, as I won't be needing it anymore. Taking a look at the new display, verifying that all screws are tight, I can remove the protection. With the protection removed, I can install this piece. Now I can install the Face ID module. And now to screw it back together. Now with the screen ready, I can prepare the frame. I will have to remove all the old adhesive in order to apply the new one. Now I can apply the new adhesive. Now that I have adhesive in all four corners, I can start by installing the screen back into the phone, connecting all three flex cables, the battery, and now to reinstall the brackets. Now to just seal the phone shut. Installing the last two pencil lobe screws. Powering the phone on. Removing the protection. And now I just need a password from the owner to do some further tests. Until then, this will conclude today's video. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed, press the like button and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.